Okay, I got this lock from Bosnian Bill, and it was in this bag. I guess it's Sweetnessfnerk. I guess is how you say it. The key only works part of the time. If I can get it, there it goes. And less of the time counterclockwise. I can get it to work more clockwise than counter. So, don't really need a key. So I guess the lock does work, technically. I believe it's a 6-pin. Here's the fitting. It is a ace lock, or that's what it has on the front. So, let me get everything. So, let's see what we can do here. I want to use top of the keyway. That'll work. Go to the back. Fill around here. Alright. Little click on one. Alright. Big jump off of 5, I believe it was. A little more on 2. Feels like a little counter rotation on 1. If I can get it to set here. Loosen it up a little bit. There we go. A little more turn off of 2. Counter on 3. Believe I got it set. Nope. Believe I got that time. Lost the false set. 2. It's 4. Okay, got a deep offset now. There's 2, counter rotation. Three. Maybe 1. Let's just check these other pins first. It's light. Let's see if we can get it set. And it was opened on 1. Didn't get it set all the way, but I did that time. So let's go out. This is a pretty good little lock. Hopefully I'll get used to this tripod soon. Of course, my little table ain't really big enough for this tripod, but it is what it is. I will have to try to find some more of the small ones. I do have the key, but I still don't want to lock it up since the key only works part of the time. I believe this one will work. Okay. The key pins work. I think it might need a little cleaning. A little, maybe. Alright. One standard, it looks like. Standard on 2. standard on 3, it looks like, and 4, 5, and 6 look standards. Nothing done to the plug. Let's see what is in the Bible. Spool type, kind of like a mushroom shape or torpedo shaped in a way. I don't think I've ever seen any like that. Okay. Number 5, or number 2, appears to be stuck in here. Let's see if I can get it to come out. Let's just go to the next. T-pin. Spring came out. And a standard, it looks like. Okay. That one was there. This one was here. This one's here. Now, oh, there it goes. The drunken spool. Had to be that way. Wafer here. And that there. And looks like there's slight threading. And 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And maybe even 1. Yep. All of them have spine threads. Let me double check this. No, that's smooth, so the Bible, well, no, 2, no, not the Bible, or the core, sorry. Alright, here is this Ace lock from Bosnian Bill. The Sweetnessfnerk. Alright. Thanks for the lock, Bosnian Bill. Everyone, as always, be safe, be good, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And have a good one, guys. And this one will be going out to somebody, and it's a pretty good lock. Thanks, guys.